This video is about distinguishing between position and displacement. The most important difference is that position is a scalar, whereas displacement is a vector. Position is represented by just an x, whereas displacement is represented by a delta x or by an x with an arrow above it. So consider we have an object in space. Next to the object we place a number line, with each number representing a position. Initially, the object is located at the 0 position on the number line. To show this initial state, we can label it as t for time equals 0 seconds. 1 second later, we look at it again and find that the object is moved to position marked 4 on the number line, so we label this position at t equals 1 second. In 1 second, the object moved 4 spots over on the number line. If each number represents 1 meter, then this object has gained a displacement of positive 4 meters. Its new position is x equals 4. 1 second later, we can look again and find the object has moved to x equals 5. Now the displacement is positive 1 meter, so its new position is at x equals 5 meters. If it doesn't move over the next second, then there is no displacement. Its position is still 5 meters, so we don't show an arrow. I can imagine the object returning to its original position, which we call the origin, the same way it left. This time the positions are the same as they were before, but the displacements are negative. You can tell because the arrows are pointing in the opposite directions. I could also imagine a similar object that moves the same way as the first one did, only in the opposite direction. The only difference is the sign of the position and displacement. I can record this data in a table. At time t is 0, both objects are at the origin, so they have a position of 0. Because nothing's moved yet, there is no displacement to record. At time is 1 second, the object moved positions 4 and negative 4. To find the displacement, I subtract the new position from the old position. 4 minus 0 is 4, negative 4 minus 0 is negative 4. At time is t equal 2, the objects moved 5 and negative 5. 5 minus 4 is 1, negative 5 minus negative 4 is negative 1, and that gives us the displacements. If the position doesn't change, displacement is 0, because 5 minus 5 is 0. Objects move back to the origin. The positions were the same as they were before, but the displacements have switched directions. So the difference between position and displacement is that position tells me where an object is, whereas displacement tells me how it's moved.